Hello, welcome back to AutomagzTV. The 7th Gen Mustang, codenamed the S650 generation, debuted at the Detroit Auto Show on September 14, 2022. The 2024 Mustang will be available in the US for sale in the summer of 2023. Ford didn't hold back with this next generation of the pony car. The 2024 Ford Mustang will get a fully revamped interior that is designed for driver experience. Technology and convenience have also improved inside the Mustang with more screens and personalization. The heart of the Mustang will be either the 4th Gen 5.0L Coyote V8 engine or a new 2.3L 4-cylinder turbocharged EcoBoost engine. The 7th generation of the Mustang is a striking blend of modern and vintage. Angular body lines like the Mustangs of the past are apparent in the new generation. Along the same lines, the upper grille design was influenced by 1960s models, and the iconic tri-bar lighting is utilized in both the tail lamps and the LED headlights. Combined with the Mustang's low, horizontal front brow, Ford gives everyone a visual reminder that the Mustang has not lost its heritage. The Dark Horse Mustang Package is an option that offers peak performance. The Dark Horse stands apart from the other offerings of the 2024 Mustang with 500 horsepower from the factory and performance specifically for the American street and track. More than 3 years of work went into developing the Mustang Dark Horse into the beast that it is. Since the Mustang Bullitt in 2001, this is the first new performance name from Ford.